Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining today. Welcome. Today's lesson was requested by a student. I asked on the community page on YouTube what kind of lessons you guys wanted to see, and this was requested by one of my students over there. So if you want to request a specific lesson, feel free to go over to the community tab and find the post where I asked what lessons you want to see, and you can write it there. All right, before we get into the lesson, if you haven't yet and you would like to know when I go live and when I post new lessons, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. That is awesome. You'll be notified when I go live, when I post videos. You can also go over to the Facebook page. I go live Monday through Friday over there. You can like the page and follow me over there. It's the same name, Breeze Practical English. Okay, so let's get into today's lesson. So today we're going to learn how to use eventually and lately. Eventually and lately. So these are common words that come up in everyday conversation, so they are very important for you to know how to use. Okay, both eventually and lately are adverbs. They are adverbs. Let's take a look at what they mean, okay? All right, I'll scooch my chair a little bit. Okay, so, all right, hopefully everyone can see this. I hope you can see, okay? So, eventually means in the end, in the end. So, we use eventually, especially when something has involved a long time, a lot of effort, or problems. Okay, so usually something happens over a long time where there's lots of problems, kind of like a journey. There's lots of things to it, and in the end or eventually something happens, okay? Very good. Is that understandable for you guys? Okay, then we have lately. Lately covers the immediate past. Okay, the immediate past. Not super long ago, but the immediate past. Okay, so another word for lately could be recently. Recently, lately. An older way of saying lately is of late, of late. Okay, we sometimes say of late, sometimes, but usually nowadays we often say lately, lately. Okay, so now that we know the definitions of these two adverbs, let's put them into sentences, okay? Let's try and see how we can put them into these sentences. We have 4 sentences today. Okay, so number 1, I've been so busy something. Hopefully this one is pretty easy. We'll start off easy. I've been so busy, eventually or lately. You can put your answer in the comments. Which word do you think is correct? Okay. I've been so busy lately. Okay, the correct answer is lately. In the immediate past, in the recent past, okay? You could also say, I've been so busy recently. Same thing. I've been so busy as of late. We don't really say that so much. Okay, number 2. I used to be afraid to speak in public. I used to be afraid to speak in public, but I got used to it. I used to be afraid to speak in public, but I got used to it. So just before we answer number 2, let me point out that used to be and got used to, these look very similar, but they are different, okay? I used to be afraid. I used to be afraid. That means in the past, I was afraid to do something. I was afraid. But maybe not anymore, used to be. Then got used to means you become accustomed to something. You get used to it. You become accustomed to it. It's not new or strange for you anymore. Okay? So I used to be afraid to speak in public, but the correct word would be eventually got used to it. Okay, so in the past, I was afraid to speak in public, but over time, with some effort, in the end, eventually, I got used to it. I was not afraid anymore. I got accustomed to it. Okay, very good. Let's try number 3. Looking for your dream house might take a while, but I'm sure you'll find it something. Looking for your dream house might take a while, but I'm sure you'll find it something. Okay? And just so you know, dream home is your ideal home. So like when we say dream something, it means your ideal, the best one you could think of. Okay, so sometimes we say dream vacation. Where is your dream vacation? So the best vacation you could imagine, where would that be? So your dream home is like your ideal, the best one, the best home you could ever imagine. Okay? Looking for your dream home might take a while. It might take some time, but I'm sure you'll find it. The correct answer is, I know you guys know it, eventually. Good job. Okay, eventually. Nice. All right, and number 4, the very last one. I've taken up tennis. I've taken up tennis. Okay, so would we put eventually or lately? Okay, if you don't know what take up something means, to take up something means that you start a hobby. You start a hobby. So if you take up tennis, that means you've started playing tennis as your hobby. I've taken up golf. I've taken up hiking. I've taken up studying English, for example. Okay, those are all hobbies that you can start. Okay, so what word goes here? All right, did everyone write it in the comments? Okay, so the answer for number 4 is, oh, that was my phone. Oh my goodness. Lately, I've taken up tennis. Lately, I've taken up tennis. Very good. So in the recent past, I started playing tennis. All right, very good. I hope that these words are understandable now. I hope you can use them with confidence. In the comments down below, if you can make some example sentences with eventually and lately, I will look at them and I will comment back to you. So I hope you can write those in the comments. I always look forward to your comments. You guys have such great examples sometimes. But yes, If you, again, if you want to request a lesson, go over to the community tab and find my post where I ask about lessons that you want to see and comment it there so I can create a list. Okay, thank you guys so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it, and I will see you again tomorrow for a new lesson. Thank you, everyone. Bye.